Welcome back! Let's talk about how to hold the guitar. You'll want to be sitting upright, back straight, with your feet planted firmly on the ground. Make sure those knees are at a 90-degree angle. We are going to rest our guitar on our lap with the strings facing our audience. Don't hold your guitar like a baby. While it's cute, it's not very comfortable to play. While playing the guitar, we will be using two hands, but they do two very different things. One hand will be used to strum the strings or pick the strings. We do this over the body of the guitar. The other hand, more specifically the fingers, will be used to fret the neck. We call that hand our fret hand. Let's take a look at that fret hand, which goes around the neck of the guitar. We will use our fingers to press down on the frets to create different notes. Did you know we use numbers to identify our fingers? Finger number 1 is your pointer finger. 2 is your middle finger. 3 is your ring finger. And 4 is your pinky. Our thumb does not touch the fretboard. Our thumb is placed on the back of the neck in order to help our other fingers squeeze and press down on the frets. First, let's hear what the first string sounds like with no fingers on the fretboard. That is an E. Now, let's use our number 1 finger to press down on the first fret of the first string. Remember, use your thumb on the back of the neck to squeeze. That is an F. Next, what would it sound like to use your third finger on the third fret of the first string? That is a G. You, my friend, are ready to rock and roll. Let it rip.